My name is Ashwin. As I was saying, I work as an accessibility specialist for a company called Rocket Solutions, which was founded in the year 2008. And basically, we are into software test engineering, software engineering, as well as accessibility assurance. And as you can see in the slide, we have some vision. Apart from what we do, we have a vision. So our vision is to create an ecosystem, where all the software, B2C softwares and websites are accessible. Right? So the result of this will be, it will give opportunities. At least we are looking at about 1 lakh job opportunities for the people with various disabilities. And obviously, this is not going to happen overnight or in a month or in a year. It is a journey. Right? So in this journey, our first step was to create awareness. And obviously, awareness, it is an ongoing program. It cannot stop. So it is a process. So that's what we are doing. So with this intention in mind, what we do is every year we celebrate an event. Can you change slide? Yeah. So every year we celebrate an event called Global Accessibility Awareness Day, which is shortly called as GAAP. So this is celebrated worldwide. Anybody can do this program. It is a non-profit thing. So anybody who is interested, they can do it in their apartments, in their family. Anybody can do it. So it's just an awareness about accessibility. But we as a company, we do it in a bigger way. So this year we celebrated in Naveen's Convention Center in a very big way. So people from various backgrounds, various industries, they came together and they spoke about accessibility. What are their views on that? Basically, it was a day to think and talk about accessibility. This event will happen on 3rd Thursday of May every year. How many of you came across this event? Because we did a lot of promotion. We promoted in FM, social media, all that. How many of you are aware of this event? No one?
Okay. How many of you know about Cricket for Blind? Okay. So that was one of the revelations I had when I went to the conference. So there's actually a version of Cricket for Blind, and there are different categories. And in fact, so the Indian captain Shekhar Nayak, he was awarded Padma Shri recently. So very inspiring to hear some of the voices in India. So that is one of the motivation for our talks here as well.
Yeah, great. So what you guys can do is, you can go to our event website, gaad.in. You please do visit the website and you know more about what we do and what is it all about and all that. And you can subscribe so that you can get the updates. Maybe next year you can participate in the event. Right? Okay. So let us move on to understand what is accessibility. Some people raise your hands that you know what is accessibility. Can someone tell me what is your perspective on accessibility? What do you think it is? Anyone? You're free.
One thing that while especially while designing applications, one thing to keep in mind is to have excellent contrast font, choice of fonts and layout. So not just the most, it's not just like average person can use it, but even people with extreme limitations, they should also be able to use it effectively and not have problem. That's something that comes to mind.
Sure. This is straightforward. You sure deserve a copy.
Thank you.
So it's like purely speaking from the point of view of how software is designed or architected. It's at the end of it, irrespective of the abilities of the person, he or she should be able to use the software. So there are persons who are perfectly normal in terms of each of their abilities, but there are differently abled persons as well. So when you're designing a software, in the design phase itself, we try to incorporate the best principles. So if you take, I'm completely a desktop programmer or architect part of it. So if you see the Microsoft Windows platform, it inherently has support for all the accessibility related interfaces. All the programming languages that the Microsoft stack has inherent support for accessibility. So that is what we incorporate as a person who is designing any module. We take care of those parts.
Yeah.
And talking about the GAD part of it, so I work actually for my company, I work with the Institute account. So I was part of the initiative for their desktop products to be accessible, and we had a representation this time in the Nimans event where our UX designer who is responsible for the accessibility was present there. So that was the case that I.
Exactly. So that was something which made sense. So when you know what is accessibility, generally you have another doubt. Then what is usability? Correct. So it's generally you have that thing in your mind. So let me explain you what is usability and what is accessibility. So basically, usability can be referred to as can a mass of people can use the product what it is intended for without any special instructions. So what we call it as user friendly. So that is something called as usability. But when you talk about accessibility, what a same mass of people with some limitations can use the product what is intended for without taking others' help. So that is what the difference is. So by this we have two category of users. One is the normal users and the other one is the users with limitations. Right? So just read the graphic. I'll give 1 minute. I'll explain you more about it.
Yeah, while we are reading, so can I imagine usability and accessibility as two circles in a Venn diagram? So are they like overlapping? So one is accessibility and the other usability. Is that one way of looking at it? How many of you agree? Yeah, it is. Because so what we are talking about is only the digital part of accessibility. Think about the two parts. Think about the constructions or lifestyle related aspects of accessibility. Right? So what we are looking at is one part, one subset, that is the digital accessibility.
Fine. So I have a black throat, so I need to have water regular into it. Fine. So we are talking about two users, who are the normal users and the other one are the users with limitations. So what are the limitations? When you say limitations, what are the limitations? So it's a user who has a sensory disability or physical disability or cognitive disability. So these are the category of people who have some limitations to use your product. But what about the goal? It is the same goal. Even the normal user and whether it is a user with limitations, they have the same goal. For example, a normal user wants to buy a product from Amazon.com and the user with limitations, even he wants to do the same thing. But the second one has an extra goal of reducing his barriers because he can't use the product as efficiently as the normal person. So he has another goal, that is reducing the barriers. So he has to cross the limitations to perform that goal. So what does he do for that? So the solution for that category of people is they use something called as assistive technology to achieve their goals. So we'll talk about what is assistive technology a bit later. So this is just a small, since we have very less time, I'm trying to put it, in a very crisp thing. So this will give a bit of understanding of what is accessibility to other people who didn't know about it. So that's what I just tried to do with this slide. So we'll move on to the next thing. So now the question arises, is your design accessible. Now you know what is accessibility. Now you put a question to yourself, is your design accessible? So for this, it is a simple reality check anybody can do. You can do it on your own laptop, you can do it on your own mobile phone right away. You will know whether it is accessible or not. So the best thing to do is, anybody, it's a small challenge kind of a thing. Anybody in this room, and give a laptop. So I want you to browse your favorite website without touching your mouse. Will that be possible? Can anyone do it? You shouldn't touch mouse. You should browse your favorite website only with the keyboard. Huh? Huh. So you need to say
it's very hard, very lack of attribute, focus attribute on.
yeah. So that is so you say almost according to you it is impossible.
No, many websites, many Microsoft websites, there
Huh.
are full page applications. You will not be able to get that without mouse. You cannot use the website.
So why? That's what. Why you not able to get? Why is it not designed? Is it not designed so that it can be used with keyboard also? So that is the thing.
That's a reality.
That's the check we are doing. It's a reality check. So whether we can use a digital product by only keyboard. So that's a reality check we are doing. So obviously it is not.
Personally, I also felt when you go to Linux, you always get the console access and you access the keyboard. And you get used to the shortcuts and everything, and you go to the browser. You find the site is infected. Can't use it. You go to the public websites. You go to the websites and nobody posts.
Correct.
They're going to be the qualified software.
Correct. So that is
They do that way only.
so it is not. Why? Because it is not. It is not developed or it is not designed for that. And why it is not designed? It is because of lack of awareness. It's as simple as that. And to do that is not difficult as well. It is very simple, simple guidelines which you have to follow so that your product can be accessible only with keyboard. It's not at all a rocket science. It is very simple. All that you need is mindset and a little bit of awareness. That's it. So that is what we are doing today. Fine? Okay. So that was one of the challenge I wanted you guys to take. Right? So when it is not possible to use a product without using the mouse, then think of a person whose right hand is paralyzed and who has a minimal movement in his left hand. So how does he operate a computer? How does he browse his favorite website? Because he has all his rights, like others, even he has the rights to browse websites, order things, all that, right? Then how does he do? He can't do. So this is the accessibility issue, right? And then the other thing is, another small challenge I want to give you. It is very simple. Close your eyes and try to, message your friend on WhatsApp. Is it possible? Maybe it is possible with a QWERTY keypad phone, but with touch screen, definitely it is not possible. Because without seeing, you're not used to. You can't use your phone without seeing your screen. So that is the situation of a blind person. Am I right? So definitely he can't use his phone because he can't see the screen. So this is a small reality check I wanted to give you guys. So then, if that is the scenario, then we will talk a bit more about what are the other types of people who suffer from various other disabilities. So blindness, anyways, I told you, a person who is completely blind cannot access any of the digital product because he can't see the screen. And some people have some low vision kind of a thing, who can't see completely. Maybe some percentage of vision loss would have happened. So even they are disabled, correct? Because all our fonts and other things on the screen is small. He can't see that. So he is handicapped over there. And deaf people, obviously they can't hear. If you upload a video and some video of a profile of your company or something, he can't see, I mean, he can't perceive what that is all about. And then people with motor disabilities, as I told you, a person whose hand is paralyzed or who has minimal hand movement, all that. So those people come under motor disabilities. So they can't operate. Of course, a person who doesn't has a limb, it doesn't make any change for him. He can use computers like a normal person because there's nothing to do with his legs. Okay? But especially with hands, it is very difficult to. Without hand movement, you can't operate a computer. So again, he is a handicap in this case. So when I say this, shockingly, if you look at the numbers, there are about 1 billion people in this planet who suffer from one or the other disabilities listed there. So this is a huge number, and this is a rough statistics. If you take it to reality, it will definitely double. So this is statistics. And when you look at the statistics of our country, it is showing 28 million. So 28 million people are suffering from one or the other disabilities that we have listed. Definitely when it comes to Indian statistics, we have to multiply that number with 4. For sure.
lot of accessibility challenged members don't declare their status because of the social stigma and isolation. So these numbers could be easily more. So we've been seeing numbers like 70 million, 80 million is probably close to reality in India.
And moreover, see, this is not something permanent. Somebody, can be affected with these disabilities on a temporary basis also. What if a person meets with an accident? His hand gets fractured and he has to, be in the casting for months together. So he's also disabled. Correct? So all these people will fall under the same situation. Maybe they will recover after some time. So it's one and the same. Result is one and the same. And so this is what a bit of fact I wanted to throw in front of you. So now, if that is the case, it's not that as I said, a person who is physically challenged cannot use computers or cannot perform tasks, cannot use mobile phones, nothing like that. We have something called as assistive technology, which is available in the market, which will help a person who has limitations to access the digital content. So I have listed some of them in the screen. So you can see a headphone. So why?
I have a question.
Yeah.
You said for mobile phones you can't use, but I have heard that in iOS, the iPhone is more friendly to people, and a lot of them actually make use of iPhone because it's more. I have even seen places where people donate iPhones because instead of you buy an Android phone, you donate an iPhone because it helps someone else, right?
Yes.
So I don't think it's the same case with all mobiles. Maybe Android mobiles I don't think will work, but I think it was different with iPhones. Am I wrong or right?
No, you are absolutely right. Even I use iPhone. Even I am partially visually challenged. So even I use iPhone because it is very user friendly. That is true.
I know, accessible differently.
Yes, it is 100% accessible. There is a story behind that. So there is a story behind Apple. So I don't think I can share that story here because of the time constraint. You can Google it.
Yeah,
so Apple products are 100% accessible. There is no doubt about it. Right? So when we are talking about assistive technology, we have something called screen readers. What it does is, it will read what is there on your screen. Since a blind person can't see and perceive things by seeing the screen, he can at least listen, right? So the screen reader helps him to listen what is there on the screen. So that is his assistive technology. So either he can wear a headphone or he can listen it by a speaker. It's his wish. And then we have something called screen magnifiers, which you might have seen. It is there in Windows. Just type magnifier. So people with low vision who can't see small fonts, so they can use magnifier, just like a bifocal glasses, right? So a small top kind of window it will come up. You can keep it wherever you want. Anything which is very small, you can look into that screen. So again, there is also an assistive technology for people with low vision. And then we have some keyboard, showing up here. So it is not a regular keyboard, right? It's a special keyboard. You can't see characters. Sorry, it is pixelated. you can't see characters on the keyboard, you see symbols. So why this keyboard is designed is, as I told you, there are a category of people who are called as cognitive. Cognitive means they can't understand if you present the content in a complicated way. So they want a simple content. So what this keyboard does is, it is all a mix of symbols with which they can understand what it is. So it will be easy for them to operate through symbols than the characters. So that is his assistive technology. And then at the top right you can see a device. Can you guess what it is? That is called as refreshable braille device. You know what it does? Think of a person who is deaf and blind. So what does he do? What does he do with the audio? Because his life is blank. The only way for him to perceive things is by touch. So this device is called as a refreshable braille device. What it does is, it will convert the audio signals into refreshable braille. You know what is braille, right? Everybody know what is braille. A blind person uses braille language to read things. So that is a refreshable device which will convert the audio and it will present the content in the braille format so that the person who can't listen and see can still access information. So is it not a wonderful technology?
It will convert audio to braille, or it will convert the content on the screen to braille?
No. It will convert audio into braille. It's process. See, screen reader would have already converted the text into audio. It is just an extension. Right? It will further convert the audio into refreshable braille.
Imagine braille like a script where some parts are engraved, so you touch and then you know it's like a simplified version of a letter with some dots. So A could be like a triangle with the letter, so that kind of a script, and you read it with just your fingertips. You move your fingertips along. There are some keyboards which show those engravings. So that's what we saw. So yeah, without your permission, I move to the next slide.
Fine. So you might be thinking, okay, the problem is solved. The barrier is broken. It's actually not. A person, who the first thing is the person should be aware of this assistive technology. The second thing is he should afford to buy the assistive technology. And the third thing is he should learn how to use it. And after all this, the very important thing is there should be some design consideration for all this to work. Correct? Or else everything is of waste. I'll give a small example. You will gift a wheelchair to a person who doesn't have a leg. So do you think his problem is solved? If you think so, can he climb the stairs with the wheelchair? No. He can't. So he needs an alternative ramp so that he can enter into a shopping mall or a movie theatre, whatever it is. Only then he can enjoy your gift. Or else it's of no use to him. Correct? So we should make some considerations in our design so that all these will work.
You can't even cross the outer ring road.
Sorry?
You can't even cross the outer ring road.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true.
Absolutely.
Because you have to climb stairs and climb down. If you work in IMC Eco Zone and you want to do it, that's what you do. So.
Yes, what to do. But to solve these problems in our country, maybe it will take 1,000 years. Forget about it. So that's the reason I'm not even talking about physical disability. I'm talking about digital accessibility, at least which is there in our hands, which can be done, which is something feasible. Right? Physical disability again, physical accessibility is again a very big topic. It is very difficult, very tough to talk about.
So people say the same, businesses say the same reason, right? What is the physical accessibility for digital accessibility too? They say the same reasons which you just pointed out, you listed it beautifully.
Yeah.
They say the same reason, saying that hey, I'm not going to. I know the segment is honorable. I know it's
so how
you want to stick to it,
So
but for business value, I don't see a value, right? I
Correct.
keep hearing this again and again.
Correct. That is there. That is true. That is true. But still, if you can see the later stages, you will see some benefits also. So that is there in the slide. That is a myth. See, there are so many myths about accessibility.
Don't mistake me.
No. You're welcome to ask the questions, so nothing wrong in it. So that's a valid point, right? But I say it's a myth because people doesn't know the benefit of making their design accessible. They're just thinking financially. They're just thinking about the numbers. But there's something beyond that which nobody is aware of. We'll try to cover that.
And that will include numbers as well.
Yeah. So, in this slide, definitely it will be very difficult for me to explain the whole thing. I'll just take one part and make you understand what kind of design considerations you have to make so that the whole system works properly. It will work out, or it's in some ways. So I'm taking an example of a blind person who is using a screen reader to access computers. So now we have to understand, as a developer or as an architect, I'm not a technical guy. So as a developer, you should understand how he is using the software, right? So what he does is, as I told, he can't use mouse. So only his way of input is keyboard, right? And then the second thing is he'll be using tab key to move around the lanes and move around the form elements. So this is the practice in screen reader. And the other thing is, as a normal sighted user, as soon as you land on a web page, you can see everything on the screen, and just 2 or 3 scrolls, you will understand what the site is about, what all is there, and straight away you will go and click whatever feels you, it is interesting to you. But what should a person who can't see the screen, what does he do? So he has a technique in screen reader to navigate through your page by using structural semantic elements, what you call it as markup, how you mark it up in your HTML tagging, like headings, what is that, headings will be there, and sections, frames, divisions. So in this way, if you mark up your content properly, it will be easy for a person to navigate through that cues. So there is a shortcut key in screen reader software to navigate through headings or links or whatever it is. So we call it as semantic elements. Right? So that is one thing. So if this has to work, what the developer has to do, that is the consideration. So he has to design his product in such a way that it can be operated with keyboard only. Mouse is an option. So it has to be, I can give a small example of, it's my personal experience. I use screen reader. So most of the times what will happen is, when I want to enter my date of birth, a beautiful calendar will drop down. It's calendar widget. But that is not accessible with keyboard. So again I need to use mouse to select my date. So most of the time I have skipped it. Finally it will say that is a required field. Then I have to find someone to help me out. So this is a small example. So it will not take much time for you to make that calendar widget accessible with keyboard. It's very easy. You have techniques to do that. The thing is, you're not aware. See, myself, I was not aware. I was designing websites when I had a better vision. Now when I go back and look at my websites, shockingly it is not accessible. Because I was not aware of those things when I had a good vision, better vision. So now since I can't do that, since I am depending on assistive technology, now I know the difficulty. Fine. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll give a small 2-minute demonstration, like how I browse the website using these techniques. It will relate to you. Just give me 2 minutes.
Should we switch on Firefox?
How do you want this? No, I don't need this.
We can play this in the. We can play it in audio. And this one.
Speech mode beeps. Speech mode talk.
So now the screen reader is active. I don't need a monitor at all. I don't need an LCD or a monitor. So I can just use computer like others.
Mozilla Firefox start. Accessibility bracket.pdf Adobe Acrobat Reader DC unknown.
So now what I do is, we'll assume I want to do a computer course. I want to go to Google and I want to search what are the courses available, which is the best course for me, and how to approach that.
Desktop row 1. Welcome to NVDA row 1 column 3.
You can say this one. You can take it as a test case. I'll just perform that.
NVDA accessibility desktop. Welcome accessibility bracket.pdf Adobe. Cortana window. Search for Mozilla Firefox unknown. Default browser dialog. Firefox is not currently set as your default browser. Not now button. Space. Mozilla Firefox start page. Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Fire navigation toolbar toolbar. Search or enter address combo box collapse. .m. Problem server not found. www.google.com. Browser tabs toolbar. Navigation toolbar toolbar. Search or enter address combo box collapse. View site information. GLE.m. Problem loading page Mozilla Firefox. Dialog connection is not secure. Navigation tool www.search combo box collapse has autocomplete.
Yes. Fine.
Blank. A space JAYAN search combo box GAR. Arena J Google search document. Main landmark clickable Arena J visited link heading level 3. Most preferred place Bangalore. Most preferred course animation. Most preferred institution Arena J elements list dialog. Type grouping tree view index to Adobe certification index 2 of 3 home 3 of 3 about US 4 of courses 5 of 30 most preferred place Bangalore. Most preferred course animate list with 5 items visited link graphics and web link animation visited link visual effect link and visited link Arena Animation International Program Mozilla Firefox unknown. Arena Animation International Program Mozilla Firefox. Arena Animation Graphic Design heading level 1 in graphic design. Something whether it's branding, information, or an advertisement is communicated to users through text and images. How those two elements, text and images, are placed. Tab control, graphics and visual. Tab graphics, heading level 3 graphics, and list with 10 items. Bullet fundamentals of computers, multi-bullet concepts of graphics and illustrations. Bullet basic art. Bullet Adobe Illustrator. Bullet Coral Draw. Bullet internal test. Bullet Adobe Photoshop extended.
Okay, so now I'm okay with this course. So I understood what it is about. So I want to go ahead with it.
Out of list apply now button. Arena Animation International Program busy. Link Adobe certification. :0 apply now heading level 1. It is a long established fact that a reader will be. First name edit has autocomplete blank. A-N. Ashwin. Last name edit has autocomplete blank. K-U-A-R. Kumar. Email edit has autocomplete A-A-N. At A.M. Ashwin@bracket.com. Mobile edit has autocomplete blank. Unlock on. 900898065. Age edit has autocomplete blank.
And I can see that you know the key.
42. City edit has autocomplete blank. City edit has autocomplete blank. BANGLRE. Courses edit has autocomplete blank. GVD. Comments edit multi-line blank. Art space. I am. RTERESTED space. RN space. AI. I selected space RE. Dot. I am interested in this course. Submit button.
That's it.
Speech mode off.
So here was a small demo how to use my computer using the screen reader. See, now I wanted to do a course. I went to Google and I searched for my favorite institution. I searched for my, I Googled for my course, and now I have submitted my details also. So how did this work? All this worked well only because the design consideration was made in that site. So take an example. What if you are watching there? It was telling the names of each and every form element. If it doesn't say that is it is the first name, what will I enter? Correct? So that is the design consideration a developer has to be. Right? In the same way, every element has to be labeled properly so that a screen reader will recognize and it will speak aloud. At the end of the form, there was a button to submit. Just imagine if you don't label that button properly. The screen reader will just say button. What should I understand? It is a submit button or a cancel button? Many things has happened to me. It will not read. There will be two buttons, cancel and submit. I don't know. I do a guesswork. I will press cancel button. So all the time I have taken to enter the details in the form is waste. So this is a small demonstration I wanted to give. So my colleague Naveen will do the second part of the presentation and will conclude the presentation.
Yeah, I'm seeing that
Thanks,
we also ran out of time. Thanks. Thanks a lot, Ashwin. So in the interest of time, I would like to request you guys. So the first part of what we wanted to do is set the context and stress the importance of accessibility and take you through the journey that Ashwin wanted to feed. So the second part is, how can we as architects and engineers make accessibility an integral part of our experience, right? If it is getting long, we are eating on to some other time, so maybe we can have follow-up discussion and that. So I would like to call out one. So okay, pop quiz. What LED is missing in the? So you've gone through the program session. So quickly.
Accessibility.
Accessibility, of course. Yeah. So that's the point of our talk.
The directional
Of course. Yeah, testability, right? So, yeah, interoperability. Sure. Yes. Going ahead. So we all have goals, business goals, financial goals, and then we have technical debt. We have performance goals, security goals in our architecture. So what we are proposing is integrating a accessibility goal. Okay, compliance is a wrong way of naming it, but that is how it is today. So a lot of websites if you visit from different parts of the world, they have this 508 compliance or all kinds of compliances fostered onto us. But that is not where things start from. So where things start from is from sensitization and awareness, and that eventually drives accessibility goals in our architecture, which span across starting from our design, whatever design exploration, design artifacts, representation, testing, and then finally certification or the feedback loops. Right. So this is one of the focus areas of Prakat Solutions as well. So we will definitely pad it with more interesting and relevant sessions to the forum going forward. Most of you would have heard about W3, the consortium. So W3C compliance guidelines is like the Bible for accessibility engineers and architects. So so four main principles that I would like to draw your attention. EOUR 4, that's the easy way to remember. Yeah, I'll not go into the details. So you check out what the 4 is. This information is available. And need not stress enough on how the impact of accessibility spans across the businesses, people, the technology that we use, eventually the legal compliance aspects as well. And yeah, so I would like to end on this note. So have accessibility on your mind. It's not like we run a wave or some other tool and then check all the things, all the recommendations the tool gives and leave it there. We also listen to accessibility challenge members, bring that into our processes, Listen to what users say, and when we do that, we not only make our designs inclusive, we also add more to our user base and then improve the reach of our application. So we have more users added, and of course that results in our finance returns as well.
Sorry, I just want to add one point. We all the time focus on responsive UIs, that is device centric. I would just like to add one point to it: make it accessible and responsive UI, so that it will be accessible by everyone. Don't just keep device in mind, also keep the people in mind.
Good.
I think that would help.
That's a very good way of so, and yeah, we share across the references. The accessibility initiative is, how many of you know about the accessibility initiative? ARIA, spec, ARIA, have you heard about ARIA? Okay, I think that makes for a very, very relevant follow-up session. I think ARIA and digital accessibility and other session of these aspects can be a next discussion. So we are proposing this to this forum as well. So have an initial talk with Anand. So,
and one last request is, what you guys can do is, you can download a free software called as NVDA, which stands for Non-Visual Desktop Access. It is a free software which I just demonstrated now. So you download and start exploring it. But that's my request that's missing out in the slide. So I just wanted to add that. You can just make a note of it. It is NVDA, Non-Visual Desktop Access. It's a free software which you can download, and you can also make it a portable thing, and you can plug in to any device in your desktop and you can start using it. Right? Thank you. Hope this was informative. Any further details you want, you can contact us. We have given the email IDs. We're there to help you out to give more information on it. Definitely, half an hour or 45 minutes is not at all sufficient to talk about accessibility. So we are trying to do whatever we can. So whoever is interested to know more about it, you please can reach out to our email ID.
we have a question. If we have a
So I don't have a question, I have just a suggestion, because in the architecture group, don't just think it's developer work, testing is very important. Please, if any one of you is going to support accessibility, someone added accessibility in responsible design, thank you. But please also bring test engineers ahead of time on board so that they can really test and say, things are working. Because that's the investment, just developer alone.
And also
Sometimes I have tried it out, and without test engineers I tried it out. Then I found a test engineer, we supported only deaf and dumb. We couldn't supply blind. I have tried something, I don't do it anymore. But we brought someone deaf and dumb. Then first of all, it becomes not even a technology problem, it becomes a people problem. How do we work with them? And learn to work with them before you can actually do testing of your thing. So, if you're a developer, it's as simple as that. Maybe you can enforce your developers to do it. But if you're an architect looking at a larger piece, look also from the people angle of it, including testing. Forget even the end user.
And it's a great win-win situation for everyone, right? Because so far, even if you consider this retail market and all, just because not having this paradigm, all those users are like away from it. If you just add that paradigm into it, it would the reach would be to a great extent.
Exactly. We are happy at least, to that extent, our program is impacted. Seriously.
I will give you one simple example. Like, how many of you watch movies with subtitles?
Movies with
subtitles. I hope most of you watch the non-native languages. Like, for example, if the language you don't know, you watch it with subtitles, right? It helps not only people with hearing impaired, it helps person with other people also, right? So that way, if you make the accessible in mind, so that will benefit in turn editor.
Exactly. So there are many things which has to be covered in accessibility. As I told, 30 minutes, 45 minutes is nothing. So I've just given you an insight of what it is. Now it's your job to dig into it. Thank you.